Berkadia Real Estate Advisors are proud to present the exclusive multifamily listing of Pointe 400, a downtown St. Louis trophy asset with luxury apartments and distinguished amenities. This historic building was completely renovated in 2006 and is situated on 2.25 acres of land. It consists of one 15-story tower steel frame constructed building with a flat roof. This impeccable property offers a total of 118 units, ranging from 665 square foot one-bed, one-bath apartments to 1,620 square foot two-bed, two-bath apartments. There is also a spectacular two-bed, three-bath, two-story, 2,828 square foot penthouse. The ground floor features 2,300 square feet of office, retail, or restaurant space. The units at Pointe 400 are luxurious, stylish, and modern, with Whirlpool stainless steel appliances, large center island, granite countertops, washer and dryer in each unit, premium lighting with dimmers, high-end finishes, and floor-to-ceiling windows with panoramic views. Pointe 400 offers a premier amenity package, including a heated rooftop swimming pool with sun deck, award-winning on-site management, 24-hour fitness center, hot tub spa, secured card key entry system, conference room, business center, ATM machine, high-speed elevators, club room with billiards, outdoor dog park, car care area, large landscaped terrace with seating, fire pit, barbecues, and a concierge service for packages, dry cleaning, valet, and limousine services. Pointe 400 is located at the intersection of 4th Street and Spruce Street in downtown St. Louis, blocks from St. Louis's finest restaurants, boutiques, and nightlife. The unit's breathtaking panoramic views overlook Busch Stadium, Ballpark Village, the Gateway Arch, and the Mississippi River. This prime location puts residents just walking distance from all that downtown St. Louis has to offer. Pointe 400's premier location provides convenient access to all of the major attractions in the area, including Ballpark Village, Washington Avenue's Entertainment District, Central West End, the Dome at America Center, the Old Cathedral, Peabody Opera House, Scott Trade Center, and boat rides along the Mississippi River. Pointe 400 is located near several universities, including St. Louis University, Harris-Stowe State University, Washington University, and St. Louis Community College at Forest Park.